spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Amazon, who also provide our first new products this week. First up is Paper Structures and Scenery for Model Trains, strategies, tips, and practical projects to easily and affordably create landscapes, buildings, and backgrounds for your model train layout by Dominique Villari. Learn to use inexpensive materials such as paper, cardboard, and foam board to create unique structures, landscaping, and backgrounds on model train layouts and other scale model projects. This book includes strategies, tips, and step-by-step instructions for creating paper-based scenery and structures for use in any scale model project or display. It also features materials and instructions to create 6 practical projects. The book retails for $2.99 on Kindle or $19.95 for the paperback edition. Also available is Model Train Tinplate Layout on a Budget by Herbert Schauger. Many owners of modern-era Lionel model train sets yearn to run some vintage items, but perceive them as expensive, temperamental, mysterious, or possibly all of the above. After reading this book, you will have learned tricks and insight for creating your O-Gauge train layout on a budget. Selecting the proper equipment to build a compact and inexpensive pre-war train layout is described in this book. The book is available for $2.99 on Kindle or $10.95 in paperback. Lionel Trains has announced that their latest addition to their Disney 100 series, the Steamboat Willie Theater, will be available later this month. The structure features LED illuminated interior and blinking marquee, lighted poster boards on each side, and a detailed interior, and retails for $129.99. Kalmbach Publishing has announced a new DVD in their Great American Steam Locomotive series, Articulateds. This 90-minute DVD covers the history of these steam giants, as well as a look at what is running today. Delve into the largest locomotives to ever roam the rails in America. The DVD retails for $27.99. MTH Electric Trains has released an exclusive Premier O-Scale Santa Fe 100-ton hopper in a chrome-plated finish, now in stock at Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. These very limited hoppers are available in 2 car numbers and are only available for order on a first-come, first-served basis for $89.99 each. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive Rail King O-Scale RSD5 diesel in Santa Fe livery for exclusive distribution by the Metropolitan Division of the TCA and MTH retailers Berwyn's Toy Trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 authentic cab numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis, with an anticipated arrival date of October 2023. The early order price is $379.99. MTH has also announced an uncatalogued production of the Premier O-Scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer car in distinctive Carling black label livery for Stockyard Express. The cars will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in November 2023, with an early order price of $69.95 plus freight. MTH has also announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 3-truck Shay locomotive in distinctive Appalachian timber livery for the train loft this fall. The locomotive will be produced in extremely limited quantities and will be available for delivery beginning in November 2023. The early order price is $1,349.95. MTH has also announced an uncatalogued production of the Premier O-Scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer car in 2 distinctive liveries, Curtis Candy and Kennel Ration Dog Food, for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The cars will be available in 2 road numbers in each road name on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in November 2023. The pre-order price is $69.99 plus freight. Menards has released the new Lamont Lanes O-Scale structure. The bowling alley features interior and exterior illumination, 2 giant bowling pins, 3 figures, Jack the German Shepherd, an officially licensed Plymouth Fury with lights, and a cool Go Bowling sign. The roof features a large skylight, making the many interior details visible. The structure retails for $79.99 before rebates. Menards has also announced new 1/48 scale, officially licensed 1958 Plymouth Fury models in 6 colors. The vehicles retail for $4.99 each, or a 24-pack for $99.76 before rebates. ReadyMade Trains has announced their new Trainmaster Premium 36-foot wood-sided reefer cars will be arriving at authorized RMT dealers this fall. The cars are available in 30 different road names and numbers. They are true 148 O scale and operate on O31 and larger curves. They will retail for $34.95 each. See your local RMT dealer for more information. And while it may be scorching outside now, fall is just around the corner. Be prepared for the cool weather with these and other sharp railroad-themed hoodies from Amazon. This channel does receive a small commission on items purchased through these links, so when you place an order, you get a cool item and you are supporting your favorite YouTube channel. That's all for this week. Don't forget to look for our newest long-form video this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, keep the trains running.